Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we put everyday products to the test and tell you what's worth your hard-earned money. Today, we've got something that could be a game changer for many of you dealing with dirty, grimy grout on your floors. I'm talking about the Grout EEZ Super Heavy Duty Grout Cleaner. This product claims to make your life easier by effectively cleaning tile and grout without the need for backbreaking scrubbing. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what this product promises. According to the manufacturer, Grout EEZ is used by professionals for a few key reasons. It's easy to use, fast, and most importantly, it works. They also emphasize that it's not to be used on natural stone surfaces. Now, one of the biggest claims here is that it eliminates the need to get down on your hands and knees to clean your grout. So, we're going to test that out and see if it really does save us time and effort. Grout EEZ comes with a unique grout brush that can connect to any standard broom pole you might have lying around. This brush is designed to fit in grout lines, making it easier to remove grease and dirt. To get started, all you need to do is spray Grout EEZ on your grout and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. We've already applied it here, so let's give it some time to work its magic. While we wait, let's talk about one more crucial detail. Grout EEZ claims that one bottle can clean approximately 250 square feet of tile and grout. That's a big promise, but if it holds true, it could save you a lot of money compared to hiring a professional cleaner. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. And now it's time to put this grout brush to the test. We'll see if it lives up to its claim of making our lives easier. As you can see, we're able to stand up and use the grout brush with ease. It's designed to beveled and V-shaped to fit into the grout lines, making the cleaning process much more manageable. We've finished cleaning this section of the floor, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with the results so far. The grout looks significantly cleaner, and it didn't require a lot of effort. Now, let's talk about a few more details before we wrap up this review. Grout EEZ has a pleasant scent and is safe to use on both white and colored grout. Plus, it's made in the USA, which is always a bonus for those who prefer to support domestic products. So, in conclusion, is Grout EEZ worth your investment? Well, if you're tired of struggling with dirty grout and want to save time and effort, it might be a great solution for you. It seems to deliver on its promises of ease of use and effectiveness. That's it for today's review of Grout EEZ Super Heavy Duty Grout Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to help you make informed choices when it comes to your purchases. See you next time.